What's up, guys? Okay, so I finally got my new computer to record higher quality videos. I know that last one was looking pretty shitty, and so yeah, I actually tweaked it a little bit and got it to record a higher quality video. And so yeah, this is just my paper trading account. I got in SPEX at about 3.35, I think was my entry. This is part of a new strategy that I've actually been working on. The basic concept is that whenever a stock crosses around the 0.25 or 0.35 mark, it usually gets pushed up to at least try the half or whole dollar mark. So either at the 0.25 or 0.75 mark. And so anyways, it's just basic human psychology. Once it breaks around that point, it usually gets pushed up to at least try that half or whole dollar mark, even if it gets stuffed when it gets there. So if you get in early, you can ride that move up there, and then you can hold and see if it breaks that point. And if it doesn't break, you can exit. But if it does break, that's a big win. And like I said, even if it washes out, it's still a minor win. So, regardless of, what it does, you're still in a pretty good spot. And so, yeah, overall, it's been working. I know it's paper trading, and a lot of traders don't like paper trading. I understand that your mindset is much, much different than when you are using real money, so that's always something to take into consideration. But I think paper trading is beneficial in that you can plan out your strategies, see what works, and makes consistent profits in the market by paper trading. And so for that reason, I think it's pretty valuable. And so yeah, I actually rode SPEX all the way up to 3.7, I believe. What I really liked about it was that it held that previous resistance as support at the half dollar mark before getting pumped up more, all the way to the 370s. And so yeah, overall I was pretty happy with this trade. Like I said, it's a new strategy. It might not be for everybody, but in my mind it makes sense, and it's been working pretty well, paper trading. So I'll probably try to implement that when I use real money tomorrow. My biggest complaint with U.S. brokers as a whole and TD Ameritrade is the T+3 rule. So basically, to get my funds back after I trade, I have to wait the transaction date plus 3 days for them to settle. And so yeah, I finally get my funds back tomorrow on Friday, and so I should be making at least at least one, real money trade, and hopefully I'll get it on video to upload so y'all can see it. And so yeah, overall it's kind of inconvenient, but in the long run, I think it's better for me. It helps me stay a little bit more disciplined, and I definitely have to be more conservative with my trades, being that I only get 1 or 2 a week. It's also good for account management. You can you're not going to blow up your account very quickly, only trading once or twice a week. So for that reason, I think it's good as well. And so yeah, overall I kind of miss DOS Pro's platform. It's really simple, but I think the simplicity helps beginners for sure. TD Ameritrade is great. It's very dynamic, and you can do a lot of stuff, customize it and everything like that. But I have yet to figure out how to set a stop loss, and to be honest, I'm scared to try it with a real trade. I've toyed around on it using Thinkorswim's on-demand feature, which I think is awesome. On demand, you can basically go back and retrade any day of the market, which is pretty cool. But yeah, you can see here I got in SPX at 3.25 or 3.35, and I rode it all the way to 3.7 before I made my exit. And so yeah, hopefully I can encounter some stocks doing this, tomorrow when I trade real money. And hopefully I can implement my strategy the same way and it works out for me. But yeah, so you can see here, apparently my exit with SPEX was a really good exit because it absolutely tanked hard after that. I think it tanked to below where my entry was at 3.25 pretty quickly. Let's see when it shows it. So yeah, I think this is right when it starts to tank, and I'll show you kind of the big picture after this. It fell all the way back down to below my entry, so it was a really good exit. Anyways, be on the lookout for more video, guys. I should have some more in the next week, and if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.